Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can use AI expand on CapCut PC. So for instance, my frame ratio is at 1:1. I want to kind of expand this photo. I think it only works for photos, not sure, but I'm just going to select the photo here, and then I'm going to go to AI style and I'm going to select OK. I'm going to try to find the expand section, so I'm just going to go to these effects. Should be under one of these. Well, if you can't find it, I think it's also in the normal video settings, if I'm not mistaken. Go to the basic section. And should be an AI expand one here. So just select that and then select continue and then select aspect ratio to the 1:1 section here. And you're going to just select generate and it's going to expand. Obviously there's some settings that you can kind of choose when you're expanding your photos. And you do need Pro for this, but there's a try free first if you're on the fence on how this would work. Just select the one that you like. And I'm just going to select this one and I'm going to select apply, confirm, and that's it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel. Subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys, and if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.